it's Sherri from A Quilting Life. I'm here today to share a couple of fun things with you. First, I've got some progress to share on a 2022 work in progress, my designer mystery quilt in Nantucket Summer. This is a fat quarter shop designer mystery project, and it's been in the cupboard, closet, bin, whatever for I know it's been over a year since I shared this on YouTube, but I have decided that I am going to get this done, and kind of for a fun reason. I'll tell you why when we get started, but I got a couple more blocks made. I'm going to share that with you today. And then I've also got the March 2026 sampler box, which is a really great box. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm going to start with the March 2026 sampler box. I've been getting my boxes a little bit late, so it's really fun to be able to share this with you on the first day that we can share. This is the Sweet Springtime box. And, well, let's start with this. So we have the Flowering Block 12, and this is the sew-along that's been going on for a year. And so they also included the finishing directions. So these patterns are also available that you can order if you don't get the boxes or if you only get boxes here and there, but always fun to finish up another sew along, and I'm always excited to see what the next year's pattern will be. Okay, this is just a little card that comes along with the box, and it gives you information inside about all the different products. Okay, we have a pattern. This one I don't believe you can purchase. I believe it's specific to the box, but it's a taffy quilt pattern, and it uses the fabrics, which are the Pastel Prairie Collection by Heather Briggs of My So Quilty Life. And I'm actually going to open this up. I love a Jolly Bar. They really are a very useful pre-cut. I'm just going to flip through this collection. Heather's collections are always very delicate, I would say, light, pastel, and this is just perfect for right now. I feel like if you had something you wanted to make for Easter and this collection is available in stores, this is the way to go. These light pinks are just pretty, and the corals are soft oranges, and the little daisies. Love a gingham. This one's beautiful. Just really perfect for your spring and Easter sewing, and also for the pattern that comes. Oh, I love the stripe. So yeah, this is, and then this butter yellow. I was seeing this butter yellow everywhere. I was shopping last week, and I was surprised how much butter yellow was in clothing stores, actually. I feel like this is the perfect spring green. And some darker shades of green as well. And then of course these are blues with like a lavender, a hint of lavender. So kind of a purplish blue, I would say. But yeah, just a really beautiful collection from Heather Briggs. And love that it's a Jolly Bar. This pattern is a Jolly Bar pattern. And then also when you purchase a Jolly Bar from Fat Quarter Shop, they always give you a free pattern. So they also sent along this Lullaby Star pattern that goes along with this collection. And so you've got a couple options with what you can make with the pattern. Okay, just to kind of round off the box, we have some thread that matches a beautiful coral. And then there is a 2.5 inch by 6.5 inch ruler. I feel like they give us these every once in a while. It's a Creative Grids ruler with the Fat Quarter Shop logo. These are so handy. I have a ruler this size in every one of my travel bags with different sewing supplies, because I feel like if you're somewhere and you need a ruler, you're in a pinch, this is just a great size to be able to have. And finally, there is a little magnetic Purple Hobbies 2-inch magnetic ruler handles. And so this is going, and there's instruction sheet how to attach it to your ruler so that you can hold onto your ruler and have your hands up a little high. Definitely if you're worried about safety with your rotary cutter while you're using one of these rulers, this is the way to go. So anyway, just a terrific box once again from Fat Quarter Shop. I'm going to slide this in here. And now I'm super excited to share kind of an older work in progress, okay? So this is also from Fat Quarter Shop. This is the Designer Mystery Block of the Month from 2022. I was really excited to start on this, and it is from using the Nantucket collection that actually shared back then from Camille Ross Kelly. Just kind of a quick flip through. I think this is block 12 and 11, and then I had also done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hadn't done the blocks in the middle, and this really has been sitting in a bin for a while. When the Nantucket Summer Collection just released recently, I thought, I have got to finish this quilt. This is the time I was able to get some backing material, and so I'm super excited. So just the other day I made 2 more blocks, and so I got my block 7 done and my block 8, and what that means is that now I just have 2 more blocks to make, and these are, I believe, 9 and 10. And I love that the fabrics are in the little kits. You can still see my 2022 sticker. So I'm going to get these done, and this is my goal. I'm going to have these done right quick and in a hurry, and then I'm going to start on these setting blocks. So this quilt ends up actually quite large, and there are 8 different log cabin blocks that I will need to make, but I feel like those are going to go super quickly because I can chain piece them. And then there are also 5 Ohio Star blocks that go in the corners and the center. So my goal is to have those done in April, and all the setting blocks, finish these up in March, and then my goal is by the time May comes around, I am going to be putting this quilt together. So wish me luck. This is a 4-year-old work in progress, and I just hate to see it just keep sitting in the box. So watch for an update when I share my April works in progress. Okay, so that's it. I'm super excited to be back working on this quilt again. I will keep you posted in our next work in progress video, and hopefully I've got all of the original 12 blocks done by then and have started on the setting blocks. And also this Sweet Springtime box from Fat Quarter Shop, the Sew Sampler box for March this month, was really a great box. Looking forward to a new pattern starting with that next month. I have all of the links for everything in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.